What's going on, YouTube? Thanks for tuning in to another video. Before we get into it, make sure to like, subscribe on my YouTube channel, and follow my Twitter at 0x_dab for daily activity, alpha, and future whitelist collaborations and giveaways. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing in this video is financial advice. Always make sure to do your own research before buying anything, and let's get on with the video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to mint an NFT through their contract. So usually you can come into their Discord and come to their official link tab, and you'll find their contract if they're allowing you to mint through the contract. And you'll copy this and you'll open a tab on etherscan.io. And once you get here, then you'll paste in the contract. You will see all of this. You'll come down to contract right here. Go down to write contract, and then you will connect to Web3, connect to your MetaMask. And once you're connected, then you'll see a mint token spot. And so the mint price for this NFT is 0.2 Ethereum, and that's for one NFT. And so you'll put in 0.2 as the price right here for the payable amount. And then for the amount of NFTs, just put 1, and then you'll press write. And it'll pull up with the gas fee and everything right here. And then you just click confirm, and you can view your transaction if you'd like. After that, you just wait a little bit. Once your transaction's confirmed, then you should have your NFT in your OpenSea profile. And I'll be back once we get it in on OpenSea. So it's been about 1 minute. My transaction's been confirmed, and now you can see that I own 2 of them. I did purchase one yesterday for the whitelist sale, and then purchased another one just to show you guys how to mint through this contract. It should just pop up in your OpenSea profile after you mint through the contract. The NFT that I minted was called Popeye'S Passport, and if you guys are interested in that, you can find it on OpenSea. I'll leave the link in the description. This is Popeye NFT's collection that he just dropped for his alpha group. He's bringing a lot of utility. I'm currently a mod in this Discord group, and I'm quite bullish on everything that he's going to be releasing. If you guys want to check it out or chat with me or anything, hop in the Discord. I'm pretty much always in here, and feel free to ask me any questions on anything. But as you can see, there's a lot of stuff. We got Nansen request, tweet notifiers, whale alerts on the Twitter, Moby GG, Icy Tools, got listing bots, and soon we'll have a minting bot. I believe within the next month or two. A little bit further down the road, there will be 2 more bots coming out. We have live alerts from the whole team, and then just a bunch of people to meet in the group. There's alpha chats where you can talk about anything and meet with people, a general chat for all the holders. And it's a pretty good community, so if you guys are interested in that, go ahead and join the Discord. I'll leave that in the description as well. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something today, and we're almost at 100 subscribers, so if you guys want to run that up for me, that'd be awesome. Thank you guys. I hope you have a great day.